If you're feeling stuck in an abusive relationship, you might be in what's called a trauma bond. A trauma bond is a deep emotional attachment that develops in a relationship that's characterized by abuse and positive reinforcement. There's an imbalance of power. The abuser maintains control and makes the victim believe that they can't leave. The victim feels like ending the relationship is terrifying or impossible. Trauma bonds occur in exploitative relationships. The victim bonds with their abuser, even though their abuser is destructive. Are you in a relationship with someone who lies, cheats, abuses you, devalues you? Do you feel like you can't leave? What's stopping you? Is it guilt, fear, shame? Do you want to break your trauma bond and move forward? Step 1, get educated on trauma bonds and abuse tactics. Step 2, figure out what got you here. And lastly, build a future that doesn't include them.